Hi, I'm Margaret from Heidi and Lana. Today I'm going to show you the method that I use for joining a new color for my new design moment. So the method that I'm using is spit splicing and then also interlocking the colors so that they are not barber poled. Like if you would just spit splice these together, then you would get a barber pole effect, but this way you do not get that. So in order to spit slice, we do have to use saliva. So you'll want to wet about 2 inches of your yarn. And you can do that with both of them. And then you're going to lay them together, putting one over top of the other, and then you're going to fold back about 1 inch on both of them. Just like this. And make sure that you did get the full 2 inches of both wet with saliva, and then you're just going to felt these together. And you'll just do that by rubbing it in your hands and just stop and check it to make sure that it's not bunching up. And you'll just do that until it's securely felted together. Like that, and then you have it joined together there. Thanks so much for watching. You can find me on Ravelry, Instagram, and Facebook, all under Heidi and Lana.